Hey guys, back with the next tutorial. Today we're going to be making a new item like an ingot or something that we can use to craft tools. So the first thing we're going to do before we even start making our mod is we're going to go in. I've made my little sprite guy thing for it, which is just a little gray thing, looks like a piece of coal. I've made that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into bin, Minecraft, and then create a folder called items. Gonna copy this in and paste it there. Then I have to copy this, come back out, go over to Eclipse, client, bin, and paste it here. Now we won't get any errors when we're making this. Well, we will get some, but not as many. Then we can go into Eclipse and launch Eclipse and use our workspace from the last tutorial. Also, all code I'm going to provide as little notepad things. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into client, source, net.minecraft.source. Open up this, right click there, new class. Now we can start making a mod. I'm going to call it mod underscore black. No, I'm not racist either. So I can drag that over here and delete all that code. Now right here, this file mod name, you can go ahead, open up that, and copy it all, and paste it in here. Alright, so once that loads up, sorry. Now that this is all loaded up, we can change this to what we have right there. So mod black. You're going to change that to item black, let's say ingot, even though it's not an ingot. And then name, this isn't the in-game name, black ingot. And then name it black ingot here. And then do the same here. And here. And then this will be the in-game name. So we're going to do black ingot. And then right here, remember what we named it over here? I named it gray, and I'm doing black. So it doesn't really make sense, but you know, this will be the name of that ingot, or whatever you want it to be. Excuse me. You can change this to the version of the current thing. It's just set to pi, because pi is delicious. Now if you go over on this, it still has an error. If you hold it over, it'll give you a quick fix, create class item black ingot. So you do that, and you don't have to touch any settings. You just hit finish, and it'll generate some code. You can go ahead, delete that, throw that over here, and then open item name. Copy all that, minimize that, come over here, and paste it in here. Now you just change these to what's up there, so black ingot and black ingot. Now I'll fix, and this is the maximum stack size, so I'm going to put that to 64. And once again, you don't need to, but we're not at 3.1 point numbers. So this is pretty much it. There's just one last thing to do. Come over here to Creative tab, and this is really simple. Copy this, open that, go right under here in the public void load, place that there, and then you put this here. So black ingot. So save all. Now excuse me for this next part because my computer's not completely the best and this is going to be a little laggy. So we're going to run Minecraft. I'm just going to create a super file. It'll load a little faster. So while it's loading, watch. Yeah, it loads just like while you're debugging. It'll give you the spawn area and everything. And then, 1 second, let me just bring it into view. Right. and if you go under materials, they'll be right here. So we've already started making our first mod. Get ready for the next tutorial.